I'm Troubleshoot, and in this quick video, I'll be showing you how to complete Helping Hand for Handshake in Grey Zone Warfare. In this quest, we'll need to bring intel from the restaurant to Handshake. Super simple. We'll accept the task and get going. Yo, no ways, we found the attic key that we're looking for. Let's go. Sweet, so seems like all you need to do is run around killing these bots until you finally get the key that you're looking for. The KV attic key is definitely one of them that we do need. So for this next one, we'll need to get into this building over here, which is this big orange building on the map right over here. And inside of it, upstairs, is where we need to head. Just keep in mind, there are, of course, lots of scavs around in the area, especially near here. So we'll need to pick them off and get in here. You will also need a key in order to do this. I'll show you which one. Okay, so coming in here and heading generally upstairs, around here, back here, and upstairs. All the way we'll find a door up here that we need to open. This requires the attic key, and I have the KV attic key right over here. In fact, I've found two of them on my journey. We'll use this and open the door. Sweet, there we go. Now you'll find a document on the chair inside. We'll need to take this and take it back. That's it. So let's get back home and get everything out of here. All right, so returning to the faction base, we'll check our vendors, and in here under Helping Hand, we'll be able to hand over the intel and complete the task. As simple as that. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.